Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Vice President kaseng United Democratic Party uba Allantry Dkhar menta ka janmi jong ka khatnyo trik urampang arajar arpulai ulakren bikilat pathai Kubor halor kimat ki bau menteri katanat kor bari Amit Shah ulakren shikibrio halor ki Jingpynbiej jong kaseng BJP lada kanwan ha kabor henen kasengi ha Garo Badha West Garo Hills. Nakalang uba Allantry ulaong ba ka BJP kalakulari ki patba balada ki wanra ya ka BJP ha kabor kaseng kan wanra ya ka inalain permit apo ka jila barulaong ba ka BJP kala Pyndonkam ya ka mat ILP kum katiar na ka benta ka election tang manyo ya ka jingjam hendai ki briu ki la UI shai bat ki tep khamba na marday makihi ki nongjet ba biang tam ha kini ka election habakren halor ka bamsam uba Allantry ulaong balada ki de ki briu bana ka sengru kin ailat ba ka jing toket kanya na markum ka seng kiyang na ka benta ka jingkhuat ke jingsuba ka jilla ka balat na ka bamsam halor ka jingkam jong menteri ka tanat kor bariu Amit Shah ba ka Meghalaya ka de ka jilla ka babam saptam nakaliang jo ba Allantry loong ba ka ta ka de ka jingkran jong Amit Shah na marudan ki kot kisla ha ki kti jong u ba nakaliang jo ka seng kidang Pyndonkam ban pensisha ya kini ki aka baro.
Certain BJP leaders have already spoken out loud to the public that bring the BJP to power and we will get the ALP. So BJP is basically hindering the implementation of ILP in the state of Meghalaya to use it as an election tool to win over the electorate. So the public is there to have noticed all this, so they will be the best judge on the 2nd of March. In fact, a section of the party also holds that same view, but after we made the necessary clarifications, because everyone is of the view that once ILP is implemented, then you have the problems of, when one has to avail ILP, they have to run from pillar to post, be it in cities, major cities in the country, or for that matter within the state. But what we are envisaging is an e-ILP which can be procured at the comfort of your home using your mobile phone. You don't need anyone face to face. Everything will be online. It is as good as how you check in into a hotel. This is simply for the purpose of having a record of who enters and who exits the state. Very correct. If you recollect, our very own minister at one point of time had said that whether it is him or his brother or his father or anyone for that matter, if they have broken the law, due course of law will be taken up. So we stand open to any investigation, and even if the culprits are from within the party, so be it. But as a party collectively, we stand for a clean and corruption-free government.
Do you agree when the Union Home Minister had stated that Meghalaya is the most corrupt state in the entire country?
Well, that is for him to say, coming from Delhi. He has all the data in his fingertips. We are still yet to be privy to those documentation, so we have nothing much to say about his statement.
Congress's commitment to Meghalaya, empowering the women of Meghalaya. 3,000 rupees every month to every single BPL mother in Meghalaya.
5 commitments na kaseng Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
Kapor dingha Meghalaya kalipman kapor Congress ka kular Bandung dukbor dingha nong kendong ni hasar
5 commitments na kaseng Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
Vote for your 5-star Meghalaya. Vote for Congress.
Meghalaya ka jingsngan ha ka imlang sa alang ningkong baro ki jingeshan by bam lingba ka social welfare ansa kentiu sya ka siajar tingka sibenai kata ka long khat arajar tingka sisnem
hakane ka apnyo trek urumphang shan ya ka sap jong phi haki artli ki sentiu bat kershan ya ka Meghalaya TMC